why she killed the dogs.
This is Franklin.
Are the dogs dead? Are the dogs dead? Quickly, please.
Miss, yes,
they're dead. Okay, you get me for the wrap off someone front doorstep, get me for the dog, get me for anything, but the fact that you guys don't understand why.
On November 15th, 2025, Clifton Police Department officers in Passaic County, New Jersey, responded to a 911 call. The call alleged assault and theft at a residence on Anderson Avenue, reported by the suspect's own roommate. The roommate reported being physically assaulted and having her keys stolen. Officers located the suspect, Grace Lee, a short distance from the residence.
I just got here.
If you are going to tighten the cuffs hard enough, then do it so you don't break the wrist, okay? Please.
I just got here.
No, I don't know why, okay? I don't know why she killed the dogs. Please. Can I please go home? This is so traumatizing.
No,
you understand how embarrassing this must be to be like this?
Just give us 1 second.
No, one is long enough. Please let me go home.
You can't. You're not free to leave.
Oh, fine. So am I going to the jail or am I going to the mental hospital or my house?
We're going to figure that out. Just give us a minute.
I don't need you to figure it out, okay? I don't need you to give me a minute. I'm not part of your branch. I'm not part of the executive order of the U.S. government, okay? So you want my fleece this badly? You're going to rip it off my chest again?
I don't want your fleece.
Okay, you know what? Never mind. Whatever this was for, it wasn't worth it.
This is Franklin.
Are the dogs dead? Are the dogs dead? Quickly, please.
Miss,
Yes, they're dead. Okay, you know what? Fine. You get me for the wrap off someone front doorstep, get me for the dog, get me for anything, but the fact that you guys don't understand why.
Under New Jersey statute 2C 29(2), a person commits the offense of resisting arrest when they purposely prevent an officer from effecting a lawful arrest. The predicate arrest here was supported by probable cause established through the 911 call alone. Under United States v. Watson, decided by the Supreme Court in 1976, a warrantless public arrest supported by probable cause is constitutionally valid. Officers spent several minutes in verbal engagement before initiating any physical restraint. This approach is consistent with New Jersey's use of force continuum, which requires the least restrictive option before escalating to physical control.
Please don't talk to me!
You're freaking out right now by yourself.
Oh my gosh, please don't talk to me!
What's going on in your head? Like you're saying
I can't breathe when you talk to me. Hello, can I please go home?
Hi, Grace.
If you want my fleece this badly, please just take it.
Grace, just take a breather.
Okay, there's nothing in the bag, okay?
Grace,
There's nothing except my COVID bag. Okay, there's nothing except my COVID.
All right.
Okay?
Grace.
If you
Grace, take a
My name
breather.
isn't Grace, sir.
Miss Lee. All right, Miss Lee.
My name is Miss Lee, sir.
Miss Lee. Okay, we dealt with you two days ago.
Guessing you. How old do you think I am?
I don't want to even guess.
Both wrong.
Okay,
Can I
we
please
even
go
guess.
home? You are both older than you would ever imagine me being. Please, can I please go home?
Miss Lee.
Please.
Miss Lee.
I'm not a Miss Lee. You have the wrong person.
Stop right there.
Okay, fine. I guess I'm getting arrested again for no reason. I guess I'm just getting arrested again for no reason. Just to scare me. Okay, fine. I guess I'm ready to get arrested again for no reason.
Miss, just put your hands behind
Okay,
your
so
back.
let's call the cops too. I guess I'm getting arrested again for no reason.
You're right. As of right now, you're
This
being
is an arrest. If you're
temporarily.
detaining me, this is an arrest.
Stop.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Cuff her.
Ah! Don't cuff me! Don't cuff me! I said don't! I said don't! I said no cuffing me! I said no! I said no!
Stop.
You're gonna suffocate me to death.
Stop
You're gonna
resisting.
suffocate me to death.
Stop resisting.
Oh my God!
Stop resisting.
Oh my God! Stop!
Stop
Miss
resisting.
Lee, relax.
This is arresting me. You're arresting me.
Stop.
You're arresting me.
Ready?
You're arresting me. You're arresting me.
I got her feet.
Franklin Road, code 4, no lights on the sirens, start responding there.
All right, you good?
Okay, so you had no lights and no sirens, and I'm getting arrested. No Miranda warrants, I'm still arrested.
That's not for us.
What's a carpenter? Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Get up. Come on, stand on your feet.
You want to sit there?
Stand up.
Come on, stand up.
You want to stand up?
Miss, can you please stand up, please?
I have an ambulance coming your way.
Are you going to stand up?
Miss
Miss,
Lee, you want to stand up?
you want to stand up or you want to sit down? Hello?
Come on.
Whatever this was for, it wasn't worth it.
Just stop.
You want to stand up or you want to stay there? like
Whatever
that?
this was for, it wasn't worth it.
You're the one that just. You did all this. You did all.
Come on, get up. Up.
You did all this.
All right, let her sit then.
Yeah, give her a breather.
We'll put her on the stretcher.
Just lean.
And then if they want to charge her, they'll charge her. Grace.
Can you sit?
Listen, this is what's gonna happen, Grace.
EPA response to Russell Avenue.
We're just trying to get you medically help. You're gonna go to the hospital. You're not under arrest. We put you in handcuffs because we didn't want you to get hurt and we didn't want us to get hurt. And that's what's happening, all right?
Dude, I'm tired of holding her up. Come on.
Get up. Ambulance is on its way.
Can you sit
Well,
up?
wait for the ambulance for it to get right up.
Can you sit up?
You good?
Like if I'm not holding her, she's gonna dead weight fall.
All right, just you got.
All right, you know what?
Hey, listen, hold on. If you're tired, DK, hold her up.
No, I'm good.
You're good. Okay.
I don't know why she's doing this.
Yeah. She's just doing the. She's breathing. She's her eyes. She's just doing the game now. She knows she's wrong, so
Oh god.
that's fine. We'll talk about it. We'll go upstairs and
No. Yeah, pedigree.
someone needs to go for the ride though. DK, Mehmet, you guys gotta figure it out. One of you guys.
Miss Lee, you want to sit up or no? That's a very uncomfortable position. You want to sit down?
Miss Lee, we could have had a normal conversation. You just had to act up. That's all. Just watch out, ladies. Please. You got anything else, right? She said something along that line.
Yeah, but when we talk to her, she can't be. And something about dogs and
Yeah, her dogs. She killed her dogs. The lady on that the other guys are talking to. Miss Lee, I'm just worried about your well-being. I don't think you're in the right mental state.
Yeah.
Miss Lee, can you just stop playing the games and just be straightforward with us, please? We don't know what you're doing. You're breathing. That's.
Lieutenant said he's sending the ambulance, right?
want to go to the hospital, man? I didn't get
Once
to.
the ambulance
She's,
gets here, we'll do a
she
pat down.
won't, she won't sit, she won't stand. She's like dead weight right now. Like if I let her go, she's gonna fall.
Yeah, she's opening her eyes. She's breathing. So.
Yeah, she's tough. Miss Lee, everything that you're doing is everything's being recorded. So
Can you stop? Just sit still. And
Let's
Trying
get
to help you, all right, ma'am?
when they arrive. Let's get the structure out.
yeah, that's.
Speaks English.
Over here. Hey guys, we need the stretcher. Thank you.
28 or 48? I think it's 28. I think 28.
Miss Lee, all I try to do is just talk to you. That's it. You weren't in trouble or anything like that. You acted up, and this is what's gonna happen. And that's why we put handcuffs on you for your safety and ours. Now we're gonna put you on the stretcher. It's either you're gonna voluntarily and make it work with us, and we're gonna pick you up, or we're gonna just forcefully pick you up and put you on the stretcher. So you pick which route you want to go, and I'm gonna give you to 3. All right? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go. I'll grab her legs, pick her up from the other side.
That's good.
Ma'am, you don't want to just get up and sit on the stretcher?
Yep. Right here, right.
I gotta step
Just
over.
say stop acting up. You're breathing and everything.
Get over it.
Just
Get
stop.
over.
Just stop. You did this to yourself.
Should we uncuff her now?
No, once we get in there.
When the subject physically refused handcuffing, the governing standard became Graham versus Connor. That case was decided by the United States Supreme Court in 1989 and remains the controlling framework for all use of force analysis. Graham established 3 factors for analyzing force reasonableness: the severity of the crime, the threat level, and the degree of active resistance. All 3 factors were present here. The offense involved physical assault on a third party, and the subject was in active physical resistance throughout. Officers used hard, empty hand control. No weapons were deployed. Under Graham, that force level was proportionate to the resistance encountered. A significant legal issue arises mid-encounter. With the subject already handcuffed on the ground, an officer stated on camera, "You're not under arrest." The subject was subsequently charged with theft, resisting arrest, and assault, confirming this was a criminal arrest throughout the entire encounter. That on-camera statement creates a factual inconsistency in the evidentiary record that a defense attorney could directly exploit at trial. When officers make representations about a subject's legal status, courts look to the totality of circumstances to determine whether custody existed. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, the test is objective, not what officers say, but what a reasonable person in that position would have understood. Following handcuffing, the subject became unresponsive. Officers called for emergency medical services, a decision that is legally significant beyond tactical considerations. Under the 8th and 14th Amendments, persons in law enforcement custody have a constitutional right to receive medical care for serious medical needs. The standard established in City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital in 1983 requires officers to summon care when a detainee's condition demands it. Separately, New Jersey statute 30:4, 27.6 authorizes emergency psychiatric transport when an individual appears dangerous due to mental illness. By calling EMS, officers satisfied both the constitutional medical duty and the state psychiatric transport obligation simultaneously. The charges filed theft under 2C-20-3, resisting arrest under 2C-29-2, and simple assault under 2C-12-1 are each supported by the on-camera evidentiary record. Theft by unlawful taking requires only that the subject exercised control over the victim's property without authorization established by the 911 call. That call constitutes a first-party complaint admissible as a present sense impression under the Federal Rules of Evidence, Rule 803, subsection 1. The resisting arrest charge carries independent legal weight. New Jersey courts have held that even if an underlying arrest were unlawful, the resisting charge survives where force was needed to protect officer safety. Simple assault requires purposely or knowingly causing bodily injury. The subject's physical struggle against officers meets that statutory threshold.
We didn't do a pat down too. We'll do a quick pat down.
No, we're gonna transfer it to the background side.
We want the security here, then we'll do it.
She's gonna jump right off the stretcher when she gets to the Let's just figure this out, please. Let's not do this.
Here, so we put it
Yeah.
in
So
front.
she started asking, "How do you know my name?" and that's not my age and all that.
But like, there's no.
Shut it down.
She goes, she went that way to Columbia. I was about to say to her, "Does she only have one eye?" She goes, and before I got that out, she goes, "Yeah, she was weird somewhere. Her eye was only one eye."
Yeah,
Ma'am, you don't say no eye. We know who she is.
yeah, it's Grace Lee.
You dealt with her on Thursday.
Dealt with her Thursday,
Yo-yo.
yeah. So that's why I knew, because she's been stirring up the pot on Anderson Avenue recently. So.
But I said to her, I go, "Did you ever see? You know this woman? You ever deal with her?" She goes, "I've never seen her before."
Yeah, as soon as at 255 Lafayette, I started going up and down and looking for her, but going off.
Clifton PD officers receive a grade of B. Verbal de-escalation was genuine and sustained before any physical contact was made. Force escalation tracked the subject's resistance and remained proportionate at each step. The EMS decision reflected sound judgment and satisfied constitutional obligations. The grade is not higher because of the on-camera statement misrepresenting the subject's arrest status. Precise on-camera communication is not a courtesy, it is an evidentiary obligation. Grace Lee receives a grade of C+. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest is not constitutionally protected conduct. The Supreme Court confirmed in Atwater v. City of Lago Vista in 2001 that officers may lawfully arrest for minor criminal offenses. The subject's right was to comply and challenge the arrest in court, not to physically refuse it on the street. No credit is deducted for verbal objection, which remains protected speech. The grade reflects the subject's noncompliance as the primary driver of force escalation in this encounter. The key lesson for officers: anything stated on an active body cam is part of the permanent evidentiary record. Representations about a subject's legal status, accurate or not, will be scrutinized in every subsequent criminal and civil proceeding. For citizens, the street is not the venue to resolve a disputed arrest. Physical resistance converts a misdemeanor stop into a felony resisting charge. It also eliminates the tactical advantage of being the compliant party on camera. The courtroom is the appropriate arena, and compliance preserves access to it. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.